my laundry room, and I'm gonna take you guys inside. So my laundry room, sorry you guys, is pretty small. So I really hope this inspires someone. Like, I have to find a great angle. So when the builders of this home built this house, they thought this would be good for them to put a water heater system and a heating and cooling, everything in here. And it's an eyesore. But on the opposite side is where our laundry room is. And I made like a command hook, and I added a kid's jacket. But guys, if your laundry room is anything like mine, don't feel bad. So I decided to do something about this. I have this mat right here. These are usually bathroom rag mat. And they work perfectly here because they absorb any type of liquid that could spill. However, I have here a bag for clothes that I need to give to Goodwill. Here is my clothes that I need to bring to the, not tailor, but like to do my dry cleaning. Sorry guys, I had a brain freeze for a second. However, since everything is closed, my dry cleaner is closed as well. And I have my baskets over here, which are fine, you know, I don't need them to be fancy, but I don't have any cabinet system. I don't have anything to put any soap or anything like that. So I just got a couple of things which I think will help spruce up this place. As you saw, I spruce my living room for spring. That was the previous video. If you haven't seen it, I would definitely advise you to go ahead and look at it. It's very fun. And I want to spruce up here as well. I don't know what to do with these bags because usually this will be gone to Goodwill very soon, but I don't know what Goodwill's hour of operations are for donation anymore since they are closed. And I don't like leaving my dry cleaning clothes just in a regular bin because I don't want it to accidentally wash them. So I just keep them in a separate bag. Usually my husband takes it really quick to the dry cleaners, but all of them are closed, so those type of clothing will have to wait. So this is the huge wall that has nothing there. And I also wanted to get some cabinet system here on the wall, but you know, I wanted to go to Habitat for Humanity, but that's closed as well. I don't want to just go to Lowe's and just buy things, especially we are in quarantine, and I want this to be a budget video. So I'm going to show you guys the things I have. We're going to clean here and then we will go ahead and redecorate. Stay tuned, guys. So I put the small laundry basket in the back, and I added the, you know, clothes that I'm not able to bring to the Goodwill or to the dry cleaners in the back as well. So it removes that from that eyesore because I don't know where to put it here. And I just kept my usual laundry basket because I don't keep laundries like this anymore full to the max. No, I wash them, get them dry right away, so everything is emptied out here. So we're going to move into the next step. So I got this at Ross. I wanted to use it in my kids' room to hold some books, but my kids' books are very heavy and this couldn't hold the weight. And I kept it. I think I bought it since like November last year, and I kept it because I really like the aesthetic of it. I like the pattern. I like the you know, the gold on top of it. So I thought, why just leave it there like that? You know, I can reuse it. So I'm gonna reuse that. So guys, I went in and I did this. I added this on the wall. I wanted to film the process, but I am filming and holding everything and doing it by myself, so I couldn't film it for you guys really well. But this is what it looks like, and I love it. It looks so great. So now we're just going to decorate it. So let me take you guys and let us decorate together. So I got these at the Dollar Tree for just $1, and they're huge. And look, they hook like this. I really want to personalize the laundry room here, make it feel very homey, because you know I spend a lot of time here doing laundry. So I'm gonna find a space to put it. I have 2 of them. This one I haven't removed the plastic off, and I already chose some, you know, pictures to add on here. So let's go ahead and do that. Guys, I am so proud of myself right now. Let me adjust the light for you guys. But look what I did with a couple of Dollar Tree items. So here I added my baby pictures while they were in the womb. And my son here, he was so adorable, just kissing a lady at church, which I love. Sorry, it could be a little, it's too bright. Okay. Here's my husband with my daughter when she was little. It's one of the cutest pictures we have. My bride's what is it called? Bachelorette party invitation. I kept it this whole time, and just to remind me, you know, like I said in the beginning, I really wanted to personalize here. I got the laundry. It says laundry, wash and fold service 24/7, open 24/7. I love. For $1 at the Dollar Tree. The laundry room says sort tomorrow, wash later, dry soon, fold maybe, and iron, get real. Yeah, I don't iron clothes. My husband does. And what I already have shown you guys right here, that one says laundry room, drop your dryers here. And then it says wash, open, 24 hours laundry. And let's finish the rest of this. Remember what it looks like, guys? Remember what it looks like? I can't believe it. And it smells so good. This Glade perfume thingy smells so good, guys. So now let's finish the rest of this room. Okay, guys, so I got this from Facebook Marketplace a while back. I wasn't using it for anything good, because you know, when you buy things at Facebook Marketplace, you think you have the greatest deal ever, and it was smaller than what I expected, and it's not closing, but I have a trick for that, how I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna put it in here, and we're gonna see how it looks and what we're going to do exactly with it. So stay tuned, guys. So I went in and I placed the cabinet, and it's still not closing, but I'm going to do the trick. Hopefully it works. But I got these 2 baskets from the Dollar Tree. The color is showing up blue, but it's not blue. It's like this teal color. I love this color so much. And I got 2 of them, and I'm going to put them right over here. When I fold my kids' clothes, it's the Con Mary's method. I fold them very small, very neat, square-like. So usually when I do laundry, I don't have like a laundry basket which I take into the room, because my laundry loads are not that big. So what I do is that I'm just gonna grab a basket here and put you know, the clothes inside and take it to whichever room I need to go to, either my room or the kids' room. But let's move on to the other tasks. These are $1 at the Dollar Tree. I love this, guys. So pretty. Okay, so I went to the garage and I looked at my things that I already had, like decor pieces, and I found this beautiful vase that I had gotten from Goodwill a long time ago, and I used this around my house. And I want to add some like flower here, some pizzazz here, and I went around my home, and I also found these beautiful coral peaches flower from the Dollar Tree. The things with the Dollar Tree flowers, you need to make sure that they are full. Like you need to make sure you have a lot so that they look nice. So I'm just going to try my best to see how it looks right here. And I think, let's see. So I think I love it like this, guys. What do you guys think about this? I think it looks so cute. That thing right there is such an eyesore. Ugh, like, listen. Won't let me be great.
Just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat, every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me, yeah. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom, I hope that you finally see I'm not good enough.